In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename or edit a head of account in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to update an account name or make changes to an account's details, QuickBooks Desktop makes the process simple once you know where to go. This is useful if you want your chart of accounts to be more organized, easier to understand, or better matched to the way your business tracks income, expenses, assets, or liabilities. As you go through this process, just make sure you're editing the correct account, since these names are often tied to your bookkeeping and reporting. To begin, go to the top menu bar in QuickBooks Desktop and select Lists. From the menu that appears, click Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts currently in your company file. Take a moment here to carefully scan the list and find the specific account you want to rename or update. If your chart of accounts is long, it may help to look slowly and confirm the account type before making any changes. Once you've located the account, right-click directly on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that account. From that list, choose Edit Account. This opens the account window where you can make changes to the account information. In the active window, type the new account name or update the account details you want to change. This is the part where you should be especially careful to enter the information exactly the way you want it to appear throughout QuickBooks. A clear and consistent naming format can make your reports easier to read and can help avoid confusion later, especially if multiple people work in the same company file. After you've finished making your changes, click Save and Close to apply them. QuickBooks will then update the account with the new name or revised details. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the chart of accounts again to confirm that the change appears correctly. That's all it takes to rename or edit a head of account in QuickBooks Desktop. It's a quick task, but it can make a big difference in keeping your books clean, accurate, and easy to manage.